adventurous flavours of Twix. Come and check them out.
Yeah. I did do a bit of a booby one though before.
Twixes. Would you only break one?
Yeah. You got a few bloopers out of those ones. Huh? Don't need to do it now. Oh, are you already pressed record? Hello! Hello! Right, so as you can tell by the little advert there, we're trying out Twix salted caramel fingers. We got them from Poundland when we went the other day. Yes. Poundland was better than Asda, I thought. I don't know, it didn't feel... It still didn't feel right being out, but it didn't feel as... because it wasn't as busy. Poundland wasn't as busy as Asda. Asda got busy and nobody gave a crap. Oh, single fingers! Single fingers. They are not for individual resale. Oh no. So Twix salted caramel. And look, the packaging. Light blue. What about, it's normally gold, isn't it? It's normally gold. Always believe in you so. So yeah, they are milk chocolate covered caramel and biscuit with an extra pinch of salt. That's the difference. They're an extra pinch of salt. And they run out the day after Boxing Day. Right then. Would you like your own individual finger? Here you go. I'll undo myself one. No, you have your own individual finger. Come on, reach for it. Here you go. Here you go. Here you go. Come closer. No, I'm not undoing another one until you've had a bite. Let's see if you drop dead first. The salt in the caramel. No? See, with the Twix, you don't just eat them like Mr. Producer's done. You eat them. I eat them different. We eat all the caramel off first. No difference. There was no difference to that caramel. Hmm? Oh. Hmm? Hmm. Hmm? Wow. Wow. Oh. Mm. Mm. Biscuit tastes different. Have I got it? What? Wow, what's it gonna do? Oh, I just got it. I just tasted the salt in the back of my throat. So if you eat it this way, you do taste that it's salted caramel. If you eat it my way, you don't taste that it's salted caramel. And yeah, it's all the same ingredients. So figure that one out. Alright, I got here now. I don't like eating it that way. I I eat it my way. Because the biscuit's the best part. So you save that till last. It is. I do the same with the Mars bar though as well. I'm so weird. Snickers are the best to do that with. You eat the fudgy bit off the bottom, just have the caramel and the peanuts left. Eat your Twix. I'm not gonna in my mouth. Wait there. With my mouth full. Yeah. It fell on the floor. 5-second rule. You missed both. Yeah, open your mouth. Open your mouth. I think I hit him with the eyeball. I hit him there. Maybe he's not getting closer than what you was getting mine. Your turn. Open. Oh, you moved. Not closing my eyes, I don't trust you. You're basically putting it in my mouth and you're still missing. Oh, I'm gonna pass out any minute, stop it. Right. Just because you're opening your mouth wide. My mouth is opening wide. Ow. The best thing about it is, you notice it's not affecting me, something smacking me in the face. I'm used to it. No, not the Twix. I need to close my eyes. Oh, it's getting all sticky now. Why's that so long? I didn't move. Shall we make it smaller? Would that be better? Oh. God. Oh. You're not doing very good. One more go. Last go. Last go. Make it count. You how close are you? Oh, try not to think of the bubble bath in the hot tub. I'm trying not to think of the bubble bath in the hot tub. Don't throw it like that, you'll hurt me. My mouth is not down here. I know you're not used to looking me in the face, but come on now. You can do this, Mr. Producer. You're getting worse, dude. Are you trying again or are we not trying again? Okay. For God's sake. No more. Have you done this for 10 minutes? I think I only talked about the biscuit for a minute. I have got a big mouth, so why can't you get it in the hole? No. He said, just would you be using my bum and then I'll get it in the hole. Well, that's one way to not make a person want to laugh anymore, because saying she's got a big ass. Come closer. You haven't got many more tries left in you. No, I don't want to try another one. Ow. What are you doing with... Oh, it got on the floor now. I think it's gone under the bed. The fact that I'm the one that's going to eat that when you eventually get it in. Why are you throwing it? Daddy's nowhere near there. It's not funny anymore now. You like that cheek, don't you? You nearly got it in. You didn't? It went there. You know, so you're getting closer by throwing it that way. I'll go now. No. There we go. It got it in. Woohoo! That hurt. And then something hit me in my tooth when I'm a bit down. Right, there we go. Salted caramel Twix fingers. Single use. Unless you're doing a video and MS Producer wants to throw something in your mouth, then it's a 12-minute use. Yes. Thank you for joining us and having a giggle with us. Give us a like, give us a subscribe, then make sure you come back and resubscribe and re-like, because YouTube are shadow banning us. Yes, they are limiting our views, removing subscribers, removing likes, removing comments, changing thumbnails, changing the links down below to even the ones that aren't over 18. Yes, they are. The What's Up Next videos down below probably won't be mine. They are the ones that they want you to watch. I used to have 4 down there for you to watch in mine. Now it's the top ones that they want you to watch. They are manipulating what you want to watch. Yes. If you want to continue watching me and all our delight to see what other stupid antics we get up to, type in Adelesexyuk in the search bar, and I have thousands of videos here on YouTube for you to enjoy. Now, if you want to find me on other platforms, we're on Cocoscope, Twitter and Instagram at Adelesexyuk, and then my OnlyFans, freebie, $10, and the VIP naughty one, where you get my private Snapchat, and which keeps us in the Twixers. Yes. Pardon? Follow the numbers. No? Numbers. Oh, sorry, Mr. Producer. Now, when I was saying about limiting the views, if you look at the videos down below, you'll notice that some of them have got 300, 500, less. A lot of them have got less than 1,000 views. A couple of them are creeping up. But most of them are under 1,000 views. Now, I have 147,000 subscribers. If those subscribers had been notified or been let to watch my videos, I would not have under 1,000 views. But I don't think the views are correct either. They're not. I don't think. Because on some videos, there's more likes than what there is views. That makes no sense. It really doesn't. So yeah, keep an eye out for that. You'll always know when my numbers have been limited because of the least amount of numbers on the video. Yes. When my views start going up, the numbers will start going up. So YouTube, pull your finger out and put my views back. Yes. Thank you for joining us. Goodbye.